Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to Rani Ma'am's class. Today we are going to learn about question tag. Now, what do you understand by question tag? A question tag is a small question at the end of a statement. Question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. Like, mostly a positive statement has a negative question tag. Like, you are a student, aren't you? So, you are a student is a positive statement, but we put a negative question tag. A subject pronoun comes after an auxiliary or a form of the verb to be. So, we always use this pronoun here after the negative question tag. And a negative statement has a just the opposite, a positive question tag. Like, Mary isn't a teacher, is she? Mary isn't a teacher is a negative sentence statement, and the question tag is positive, a positive question tag. A subject pronoun is used to replace the noun or noun phrase. So here we have understood that a positive statement has a negative question tag and a negative statement has a positive question tag. The intonation of a question tag shows the exact meaning of it. If the intonation of the question tag goes up, it means you are not sure and you want to know the answer. John doesn't speak Spanish, does he? Here you want to know the answer. So the intonation, the speaking of the sentence tells us about like whether we want to know the answer or it's just a simple conversation. If the intonation of the question tag goes down, it means you are checking or confirming information or making conversation. John doesn't speak Spanish, does he? So here the two sentence, John doesn't speak Spanish, does he? And John doesn't speak Spanish, does he? This two sentence, the intonation of the two sentence tells you about that the first one that you want to know the answer, and the second is just a simple conversation or it's just giving some information. So here the intonation of the sentence gives us some information, right? I hope you have understood what is the intonation and the meaning of this sentence. Basic of question tags. Sentence and question tag must be in same tense. If the statement is negative, the question tag must be positive. If the statement is positive, the question tag must be negative. From the two examples, I hope it is clear to you. Always use pronoun in question tag and always use contracted form in negative question tag. Now with some examples, we'll understand it in much better way. This is your book. This is a positive statement. So the question tag will be negative, isn't it? He likes pastries, doesn't he? That was the doctor, wasn't he? So I hope you have understood with the examples the usage of question tags. So children, complete the book exercises of question tags. Stay safe. Thank you for joining this class and going through the video. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay fit.